Day one in Ninh Binh. We've made our way north, going toward the Hanoi area of Vietnam, and we are now in the famous area of Ninh Binh, where all these limestone karst structures exist. So as there's a lot of krabi. Should be an amazing time here. Boat rides, bicycle rides, and beautiful weather so far.
We are now in Ninh Binh in a location called Tam Coc, and we are going to probably take several boat rides through the karsts. This is known as the Ha Long on land. We just ate at family restaurant number 1 in Tam Coc, and you can see the duck is roasting. He's chopping it. Basically, it's a fairly simple roasting rotisserie. There's not a lot added in terms of sauce or anything, but it's just super juicy roasted duck.
Day 2 in Ninh Binh, and we are now over in Trang An, which is where we catch the boat for the famous Ninh Binh boat tours. We are looking forward to this. It's going to be an outdoor extravaganza. Now you see what we're up to. Check out the mountains, the limestone. Boat tours of Ninh Binh.
And personal with the karst formations here.
Birds make some strange noises.
They dive as soon as I try to get a photo. Say serene, except for all the animal sounds make it very lively. Just telling us to put our heads down because we're going into Mua Cave. And you'll probably see why. Oh yeah, we'll have to go real low. We have lights in it. Nice.
Into the cave we go. 250 meters under that giant peak to come out the other side. It's pretty crazy.
Okay, is this where you store your alcohol? So cool.
Wow.
Oh, that's amazing.
We have emerged from an underground cave into an amazing area of very tall limestone karst peaks. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Biscayne Bay, the Louisiana Bayou.
route. It's certainly not the only one that we haven't seen yet. There's nothing like coming up on a temple in the jungle from this landscape. It's just amazing. These beautiful wooden gates leading into temple in pagoda here remind me a lot of what you see in Japan. Beautiful wood entryway.
Little break here at a temple on our tour, continued tour around Ninh Binh, or actually Trang An, the Echo District.
Yet another type of Hang Bajot gate, or cave it's called. Playing that song, low, low, low. We are ducking as we paddle through, and I say we paddle through, but really it's our captain. It's the sparkle tights. Yep, I've decided this is my favorite part. Just as you're emerging from the cave and you see the light on the other side, reflections of the mouth of the cave.
We emerge from yet another 100+ meter cave into this setting. Incredible landscape.
Still the other side of the Kong Island structure there. Okay, we're working for our supper here, going against the, going upstream against the wind. We'll see how much help it is, and of course, I'm not happy.
We are now visiting the ancient city, the ancient capital city here of Hua Lu. It was Vietnam's first capital before it was really officially Vietnam. And this was back in the first 10th century. All right, we have left the Trang An area of exploring the canyons and valleys and rivers. And now we're in Hua Cave and some kind of a Mua Cave. We're gonna do some hiking. Oh, we're barely into our hike. We've already got splendid views of Lotus Lake lake man-made spiral pathways like lotus leaves. In the distance, our host city of Ninh Binh. Alright, we have a tough choice now. Dong Ho Tiger Cave or Nui Nyo Long, the Lion Dragon Mountain. Up we go.
And Steve is making his way up to the top here to see a dragon.
From the top. Found my dragon friend here. It is a long ways down. My legs are wobbly.
We're on the climb up to Mua Cave and Dragon Peak. And we can see the boats coming from Tam Kok. I am inside Mua Cave. Steve has stepped out to admire the view. This is more like a tunnel than a cave. You go in one side, come out the other. And wow. Just wow.
Alright, well today, one of our last full days here in Ninh Binh and Tam Kok. We are riding bikes. See, great place to do it. Amazing fields, mountains, waterways, and lots of coffee shops. So that's where we're off to now. It's about 90 degrees out. We're heading that direction, so woo! Let's make some hot coffee to cool you down.
We are riding through the countryside in Tam Kok and headed for a temple to be named later. It is just a gorgeous ride. Mostly dirt roads, but then we found this tile road.
There's a little stop at this family farm that does fishing and rice cultivation. You can don the outfit and go out in the mud and act like you're harvesting rice, or it's like how it works, and then get hosed off. Well, we're biking down a road and we find beautiful mountains, a small pond, and you'll never guess what else. That's right, a temple. Just when you thought we were running out of them.